Are you struggling to generate leads for your business? Not sure how to create a constant stream of warm and sales ready leads? Then you're in the right place. Hello, I'm Uzair, and along with Simon Elson at Action Coach, we are co-hosting a very exciting event called Increasing Profits with Lead Generation. During this event, you will learn how to create a 60-second video which you can then upload and promote on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course on your blog or website. I will have my complete video set up and shoot a live video in front of you, edit it, and then upload to the internet all in 60 minutes. The setup I have is very simple and affordable. The editing workflow is lightning fast, and you will be able to create video content on the fly whenever you want. Simon from Action Coach will then show you the 5 ways to a profitable business with proven methods for improving profits by more than 61%. Interested? Then book now to avoid disappointment. The event is free to attend. Please book by clicking the link somewhere around this video. I hope you can make it, and I look forward to seeing you soon.